Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Sonia, and this is gonna be my first video on YouTube. Do little intro. So by this channel is gonna be on makeup, styling tips, dressing tips, and hairstyle tips. I'm gonna give you guys. So all, I just wanna to subscribe me. ताकि मैं आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा अमेजिंग वीडियो लेकर आऊँ आपके लिए. So without doing any further ado, let's get into the video. So first what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna apply moisturizer. Bottom day of moisturizer apply करो. Moisturizer makes our face look flawless. Next I'm gonna apply this, my favorite thing, different kind of serums. Ignore whatever you like, you can have that. So after applying the moisturizer and the serum, you have to mix it with your skin like nicely. Yeah, I have dark circles, guys, but ignore, ये तो है ही. Due to shifts, like I have to work in nights also, so that's why I got this. So after moisturizer and serum, we have to apply foundation. What is the amount? On your forehead, you have to just do this. Applying foundation, I just always look like fondant, but all girls look like that. So you have to apply a little amount of concealer. Okay, not bad. If you wanna go for the loose powder or the compact powder, I'm gonna use this compact powder. After that, what you're gonna do is contouring. So for having good shade, so this brown shade, just make palpate. So next step is to do this eyebrows. So for eyebrow part, I usually do powder. मुझे powder पसंद है, तो मैं सबसे I like this. So alright, so my eyebrows are done. So after doing eyebrows, the next step is to do your eye makeup. I'm at home, even I'm not at home, I have to go outside. I don't do the heavy look. I do heavy eyes whenever I always go for the brown shade. Just your ring finger, dip in and apply. I don't use brush because I think that is more comfortable, easy. ये वाला shade ले रही हूँ और मैं so have your eyeliner again. Now let's jump to the next type. Let's apply mascara. So yeah, okay, so as you guys can see that after doing my eye makeup, I have not applied kajal, but still it's looking like a kajal laga rakha hai. So because of this mascara, and because you don't apply on your lower lashes, so apply mascara on your lower lash. So this is my blush. So take another brush, okay, take whatever color you like. I'm gonna go with this lighter color. So मैं lighter color लूँगी and simply apply here. So this is my Swiss Beauty मेकअप बेस हाइलाइटर प्राइमर. सो इट्स प्राइमर, हाइलाइटर प्राइमर, बट मैंने इसे कभी हाइलाइटर प्राइमर के तौर पर यूज़ ही नहीं किया. आई ऑलवेज यूज दिस एज हाइलाइटर. इट्स बेस्ट हाइलाइटर फॉर माई स्पेसिफिक एरियाज. सो सारे पार्ट्स के बाद जो सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट मुझे मेकअप का लगता है इज लिपस्टिक. मिक्स एंड मैच करके मुझे क्या बोलते हैं यार इसे, डबल शेडेड लिपस्टिक पसंद है मुझे. लिपस्टिक ओके. सो जस्ट आउटलाइन योर लिप्स विद द डार्कर शेड. सो जैसे मैंने डार्क शेड अप्लाई कर लिया, रेड ऑल्सो here. Is my final look. Yeah, this is my final look. So I hope you guys like my video. So I just wanna कि आप मेरी YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट करें. जितने भी मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं